Everyone thinks the best-selling saws for cutting laminate flooring are automatically the best option. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, REXBTI Installation Kit. First up is the REXBTI Laminate Wood Flooring Installation Kit, priced at just $19.99. This caught my eye because it's a bestseller with over 7,200 reviews. If you want a straightforward solution for installing laminate flooring without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The pull bar is made of premium A3 steel, ensuring durability while protecting your flooring from scratches. And the tapping block with a handle allows you to drive floor planks together without damaging them. Plus, it comes with 40 plastic spacers to help with those tricky gaps, which is something many beginner installers struggle with. Now, some people complained about the mallet's weight being too light for heavy-duty tasks. Here's the thing though, unless you're tackling commercial-grade installations, this should work just fine for most DIY projects. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for an affordable starter kit. Skip this one if you need something more heavy-duty for professional use, but at this price point, it offers solid value for money. Now, if the lower durability of the REXBTI kit bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more robust design. Product number 2, RUITOOL Japanese Hand Saw. Next is the RUITOOL Japanese Hand Saw, priced at $19.99. This caught my attention because it's a popular choice among woodworkers, boasting a 4.6-star rating from over 6,000 reviews. If you want precision and flexibility in your cuts, this is worth a serious look. This means you can switch between cutting types seamlessly. The SK5 high-carbon steel blade is incredibly flexible yet durable, so it holds up well under pressure. Plus, the beechwood handle provides a comfortable grip, which is crucial for those long cutting sessions. This saw truly excels in delivering clean, flush cuts, making it a favorite for intricate projects. Now, some users noted that the saw blade can dull relatively quickly with heavy use. But I'll be real with you, for occasional DIY projects or intricate work, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just keep a sharpening stone handy for maintenance. This is perfect for you if you value craftsmanship and need a reliable handsaw for home projects. Skip this one if you prefer power tools for larger jobs, but at this price, it's an excellent addition to any toolkit. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for heavy-duty needs. Product number 3, NAACOO Laminate Cutter. Coming in at $109.99 is the NAACOO Laminate Vinyl Floor Cutter. With a 4.7-star rating and nearly 1,000 reviews, this cutter stands out for its ease of use. If you want a tool that makes cutting laminate flooring a breeze, this is worth a serious look. This tool can cut laminate up to 13 inches wide and 13 thick, which is fantastic for most flooring projects. The unique one-step angle adjustment means you can cut at multiple angles without messing around with alignments. This is a game saver for efficiency. The aluminum alloy construction is sturdy yet lightweight, which makes it easy to move around your workspace. Plus, it runs silently without dust, which is a huge perk if you're sensitive to noise or cleanup. Some users pointed out that it might not cut through thicker materials as smoothly. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily working with standard laminate or vinyl, this isn't likely to pose a problem. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a simple and effective solution for flooring projects. Skip this if you need something for heavy-duty or commercial-grade materials, but at this price, it offers excellent value for ease of use. Now, if you found the NAACOO Cutter too specialized, the next product offers a bit more versatility for various flooring types. Product number 4, MARSHALLTOWN Ultralight Cutter. Next up is the MARSHALLTOWN Ultralight Flooring Cutter, retailing at $142.98. Made in the USA, it has a solid reputation with a 4.6-star rating based on 2,800 reviews. If you want a reliable cutter that can handle various materials, this is worth a serious look. The fact that it's lightweight at just 14 pounds means you can easily carry it around your workspace without straining yourself. Plus, it allows you to make quick, precise cuts without the mess of dust or electricity, which is a major win for cleanliness and efficiency. It even comes with a honing stone to keep your blade sharp, adding to its long-term value. One downside mentioned is that it may not cut as smoothly on thicker materials as some competitors. But for general home use and installation, this is not usually a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile and user-friendly tool for various flooring types. Skip this if you're only working with super thick materials, but it's definitely worth the investment for its ease of use and convenience. Now, if the MARSHALLTOWN's price is a concern, the next product offers a similar cutting capability at a lower price point. Product number 5, NAACOO Heavy Duty Cutter. Finally, we have the NAACOO Heavy Duty Laminate Vinyl Floor Cutter, priced at $129.99. With a 4.7-star rating and 293 reviews, this heavy-duty option promises durability. If you're looking for a powerful cutter that can handle tougher jobs, this is worth a serious look. It includes a unique one-step angle adjustment for quick cuts, which really speeds up the installation process. The upgraded design offers enhanced stability, making it a reliable choice for more demanding projects. Rubber wheels allow for easy movement, and safety features like a chain brake bar ensure you won't accidentally cut yourself when not in use. Some buyers mentioned it being heavier than some other models, which could be a concern for prolonged use. However, if you need a stable, heavy-duty cutter for larger installations, this weight actually adds to its durability. This is perfect for you if you need a robust tool for extensive flooring projects. Skip this if you're doing small, quick jobs, but at this price, it offers great features and solid performance. So there you have it. The REXBETI installation kit is perfect for beginners. The RUITOOL handsaw is ideal for precision. The NAACOO laminate cutter is a breeze for basic cutting. The MARSHALLTOWN ultralight is versatile for various materials. And the NAACOO heavy-duty cutter is great for tougher jobs. Each has its strengths, so think about what aligns best with your needs before making a decision.